Hello students. In this class, let us study possessive pronouns. First of all, you know what is pronoun. Now, what is noun? Noun is naming word. What is pronoun? The word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. For example, Ram's house. Instead of Ram's house, we can tell his house. Here his is the pronoun. Like that, there are many types of pronouns like possessive pronouns, adjective pronouns and nominative pronouns. Before that, you should know what is gender. Gender, there are four genders in English: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. What is masculine gender? Boy name, boy. For instance of Ram is masculine gender, Sita is feminine gender, student, teacher, these and all common gender, and all the non-living things comes under the category neuter gender in English. Like that, in Tamil there are 5 genders. They are Anpal, Penpal, Palarpal, Ondranpal, Palavinpal. For example, Anpal Varihiran, Penpal Varihiral, Palarpal Varihirargal, Ondranpal Varihirathu, Palavinpal Varihindrana. Like that, there are 5 genders. But in Hindi, only there are 2 genders. One is masculine and another one is feminine. So all the word comes under the category masculine and feminine. They have classified all the names of all the names of the things into masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine, for example, gar. Gar is a masculine gender. Gara, gar is masculine gender. Kalama, kalam is feminine gender. Even the non-living things comes under masculine and feminine gender. All the words comes under the category masculine. Now today what we study is ka, ke, ki. What is mean by ka, ke and ki means the three, ka, comma, ke, comma, ki. The three gives the same meaning of. In Tamil, udaya, and in English, of or apostrophe s. Ka nalu, ke nalu, ki nalu, மூணுக்கு ஒரே meaning. உடைய. For example, when ka comes means, for I already told gar is masculine and kalam is feminine. Ram ka gar. Ram ka gar. Gar is masculine. So the ka comes according to the word which comes after. Gara vich da ka varanum. For example, Ram ki kalam. Rama vich kavo, kiyo you should not put. The word which comes after ka. Ramudaya veedu, Ramudaya pen. So Ram's house, Ram's pen. So ka, ki depends upon the word which comes. Kalam is feminine, so ki comes. Ka is, gar is masculine, so ka comes. When ke comes means masculine plural. Ram ke pita. Pita ku father, respect. Ram ke pita. Ram ke single boy na Ram ka ladka. Ram ke ladke. So Ramuடைய boys. Ram's father. So when ka comes, ke comes, ki comes. Like that. Sita. Sita ka gar. Sita ka gar. Gar masculine. So ka comes only up depend upon according to the gar only, not Sita. Like that, Sita ki kalam. Since gar is boy name, masculine, we are putting ka. Kalam is feminine, we are putting ki. So, today let us learn possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means it belongs to that person. For example, my plus ka mera. Mera means udaya udaya. All are possessive pronouns. My plus ka mera. My plus ka mera. Mera means ennudaya. Udaya varadana my. When mera comes and when mera, meri, mere, both gives same meaning. But when mera comes means gar, mera gar, my house. Meri kalam, my pen. Mere pitaji. So, garra vechu mera podu, kalam vechu meri, pitaji mere. Mataji means Mary. I think. So, maina nan, kana udaya, my plus ka mera. My plus ka mera na ennudaya. Again, once again I am telling, maina nan, kana udaya, my plus ka mera. My plus ka mera. Tum plus ka tumara. Tum na ni, kana udaya, tum plus ka tumara. Aap plus ka aapka. Aap plus ka aapka, you are ungaludaya, respected, and aap plus ka aapka, respected person. Hum na naam nangal. Hum plus ka hamara. That means nammudaya, our. Hamara means our. For example, our house, hamara house. Our country. Desh means country. Country is masculine, so hamara gar. Yak plus ka iska. Yak depends 3 words. Yak means meanings. He, she, it. Yak plus ka iska. Avan plus ivan plus udaya, ivan udaya, his. Ival plus udaya, ivaludaya, her. It plus ka, it's idanudaya. So, yak gives iska means 3 meanings. Yak plus ka iska means ivanudaya, ivaludaya, idanudaya. It's 3 meanings. His, her, its. Vaku means avan, aval, adu, and the he, she, it, that. So, avan plus udaya, avanudaya. It also having 3 meanings. His, avanudaya, her, avaludaya, that's, adanudaya. So, vaku plus ka, uska, avanudaya. Vaku plus ka, uska, avanudaya. Next, a plus ka. A means ivargal, ivaigal. They. So, they plus ka, inka means them, their. Avargaludaya, aவைகளுடைய. So it belongs both living things and non-living things. ஏனா இவர்கள் இவைகள். So இவர்களுடைய, them, their. They plus ka, unka. That also their. So them, அவர்களே. Next, kauna, who, yaar. Kauna, who, yaar. Count, who plus yaar plus udaya, kiska, whose, yarudaya. Count plus ka, kiska, whose, yarudaya. Count plus ka, kiska, whose, yarudaya. Jo plus ka, jiska. Jiska means he, whose, yaar. யாரெல்லாம், யாருடையதெல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி வரும். ஜோ பிளஸ் கா, ஜிஸ்கா, he, whose. So, my plus ka mera, என்னுடைய. my na நான், கானா உடைய, my plus ka mera, என்னுடைய. my plus ka mera, my என்னுடைய. तुम na நீ, तुम plus ka तुम्हारा, your உன்னுடைய. तुम plus ka तुम्हारा, your உன்னுடைய. For example, your brother. Your க்கு तुम, Tumhara, you should, ha is silent. Tumhara, you should tell. Tumhara means your. Tumhara bhai will come. Your brother. Your sister. Tumhari bhai. Tumhari bahan. Your father. Tumhare pitaji. Your mother. Tumhari mataji. So, आप plus का आपका your. Respected and plural. हम plus का हमारा our. हम plus का हमारा our. यह plus का इसका. He, she, it, this. His इवनुடைய इवளுடைய இதனுடைய. यह plus का his, her, its. It has three meanings. यह plus का इसका. वह plus का उसका. वह प्लस का उसका. हिस, हैर, दैट्स. ये प्लस का इनका. देयर. वे प्लस का उनका. that also देयर. इनका मीन्स इवர்களுடைய. उनका मीन्स அவர்களுடைய. कौन प्लस का किसका. whose. फॉर एग्जाम्पल whose house. किसका घर. whose pen. किसकी कलम. घर हाउस. किसका मीन्स whose house. यह किसका घर है. whose house is this. किसका मीन्स whose house. whose pen. किसकी कलम. देन कौन प्लस का किसका. जो प्लस का जिसका. who all. whose book. He, whose. Like that the sentence will come. That is relative pronoun. So I think this is clear. Once again I am telling, today we studied possessive pronouns. What is possessive pronouns means? Possessive pronouns ka, ke, ki. Ka, ke, ki. The three letters gives the same meaning of or apostrophe as, or in Tamil udaya. கானால் உடைய. கா, when ka comes means it depends upon the word which comes after. For example, gar masculine na ka varum, kalam feminine na ki varum. Because in Hindi they have segregated all the words into masculine and feminine words. Masculine means if it comes masculine na ka will come. For example, my brother, mera bhai. My sister, मेरी बहन. My father, मेरे पिताजी. My mother, मेरी माताजी. Like that it will come. I think this is clear. So this is today's homework. All of you write the homework and send it. Thank you, students.